Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could be a lifesaver for anyone still rocking their classic Sony DFJ series Discman, the Gytech AC-DC adapter. For those who cherish their portable CD players, finding a reliable power source can sometimes be a challenge, but this adapter steps in as a fantastic solution. Right off the bat, one of the most impressive aspects of this Gytech adapter is its universal input voltage, ranging from 100V to 240V. This means whether one is at home or traveling across continents, this power supply cord is ready to keep a Discman charged and playing. No more fumbling with multiple adapters or worrying about voltage converters. It's truly a worldwide companion. Now, while this adapter is a brand new replacement and not an original Sony product, it's engineered with a strong focus on safety and performance. It comes equipped with essential protections: over-voltage output protection, over-current output protection, and short-circuit output protection. These features are crucial, providing peace of mind that a beloved Discman is safe from potential electrical mishaps. It's reassuring to know that a third-party replacement can offer such robust safeguards. Beyond safety, the Gytech adapter boasts high power exchange efficiency. What this translates to for the user is a stable working temperature and consistent power delivery. This efficiency helps prevent overheating, ensuring both the adapter and the Discman operate smoothly for extended periods. It's designed to be a reliable workhorse, keeping tunes flowing without interruption. Its compact and portable design makes it an ideal accessory for anyone on the go. Whether one is taking a Discman to the park, on a road trip, or just moving it between rooms, this power supply cord is easy to pack and set up. The connectivity is straightforward, utilizing a standard plug type, making it simple to connect and power up the device. The compatibility list is quite specific, targeting models like the DFJ200, DFJ210, DFJ61, and DFJ65. This precision is a huge plus, as it assures users that this adapter is tailor-made for these particular Sony Discman players. However, as with any replacement part, it's always wise to double-check a specific model number before making a purchase, just to ensure perfect compatibility. In essence, the Gytech AC-DC adapter isn't just a power cord. It's an enabler for continued enjoyment of a classic portable CD player. It offers a blend of global usability, critical safety features, efficient performance, and portability, all wrapped up in an affordable replacement package. For anyone looking to revive or maintain their Sony DFJ series Discman, this adapter presents itself as an excellent, dependable choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.